A restaurant menu should do more than look good. It should help customers order faster. So this is a food menu. This menu is powered by WooCommerce and ProductBay. With ProductBay, normal WooCommerce products become a clean, interactive product table, and customers can see the food image, the item name, the price, the quantity field, and add to cart all in one place. So that means less clicking and less searching, and a faster path from browsing to ordering. For a restaurant, ProductBay can work like a real online food menu, and customers can search the menu and filter the products from here and compare dishes and choose quantity, add to cart directly from the table. So there are options for variable and grouped product as well, in cases that the food item might contain several items. So there's the variable and grouped product options as well. And here is the admin panel of the plugin of our plugin, and you can see the tables that are live here. So this one is basically I set that up for the food menu, and there are customizations which are a lot, like endless customizations you can make to the table, and also check the live preview from here, and the table will work as an online food menu for your restaurant. So that's about it. ProductBay product tables as online food menu for your restaurant. Thank you.